Let's go to page 150 and do number 23. Okay, so this one you want to complete the table. Okay, so you have an x and you got g of x. And this one you got 3, 1, 0, and blank. You got 4, -2, blank, and -8. Okay, so, and it asks you to use the sample on page 149. So we're saying that since this is linear, you can use a ratio. So from here to here, you use the n minus beginning. So from here to here, you decrease by 6. So it's -6. From here to here, it's -2. Okay, so again, 3. From 3 to 1, you go down by 2. And the way to figure out this number is use the n minus the beginning. So use this minus that, use this minus that. Okay, and notice that the ratio is 3 to 1. Notice this is 3 times as that, right? So this is going to be 3 times as that. So from 1 to 0 is -1. And therefore, from here to here, again, this is, since it's linear, they will have the same ratio. So this is 3 times as that. So this would be 3 times as that, so it would be -3. So -2, and you -3, this will give you -5. Okay? So I use a different color so you know what was the blank. Okay? And then you can keep doing the same thing. So you can use any pair. Okay? So if you use this pair, so from here to here is +3. Okay? So again, remember, this is going to be 3 times as much as that. So this is going to be 3 times as this, so it will be +1. So 0 plus 1 will give you, double check. Oh, this is -3. So from here to here, you have to -3, and so this would be -1. So you have to watch your positive, negative, okay? Okay, so again, you just use this minus that to get that. Okay, so since it's -1, so this will give you -1. Use the red. Okay? So you can just using the ratio. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so again, you got x and you got g of x. So you got -4, blank, 2, 3, and you got 4, 2, 1. Okay. So this one is this is a little bit more tricky because you cannot use this pair because this number is not giving. So you have to start out with the pair that has a number. So you have to use this one and this one. Okay? So from here to here, you have to -3. So from here to here, okay, again, to figure out this number, use the n minus beginning. So 2 minus -4 will give you +6. Okay? Okay, so now, once we establish that, we can figure out the blanks. Okay? Okay, so notice that this is twice as that, and also the sign is opposite. Okay? So this pair from here to is -2. Right? Again, so 4 minus 2 give you 2, or use 2 minus 4 give you -2. Okay? So now we can figure out this number. Okay? So again, this is twice as that, and the sign is also opposite. So this is going to be twice as that, so it will be +4. Okay? So -4 plus 4 will give you 0. Okay? So next, I'm going to use this pair. So from here to here, okay, it's +1. So remember, this is twice as that. So this will be twice as that, so it will be 1/2. And also, this is going to be opposite sign. So if this is plus, this would be a minus. Okay, so 1 minus plus 1 minus 1/2, 1 minus half will give you +1/2. Okay, so you can just use the ratio. Now, you only can do that if it's linear. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it says if f of 6 equal to 7 and f of 3 equal to 2, and you're looking for f of negative 3 and f of 10. Okay, so what you can do is you can do same thing as this over here, okay? And when you make the table, you can make vertical table, you can make it vertically, you can make horizontally, okay? So be flexible. Okay. So I'm going to just show you the horizontal method, okay? It's the same thing, you just make the table sideways. So you got x, and this would be f of x, okay? But the same thing, so be flexible. Okay, so over here, this is x and f, so x is 6, and f of 6 will equal to 7, okay? So that's the first one. The second one is when x equal to 3, f of x will equal to 2. And this one, you got f of negative 3, and you're looking for blank, and you got f of 10 blank, okay? So you can just do the horizontal way. Okay, so let's go and do the same thing. So from here to here is minus 3, and from here to here is minus 5. Okay, so now so now this is not as nice fractions. Okay, so now it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so let's say, so you can do it vertical way or you can do it horizontal way. Okay, so from here to here, it's going to be negative 6. Okay, so instead of do it this way, you can do it this way. Notice that this is twice as that, so this is going to be twice as that, so this would be minus 10. Okay, again, when you're doing a ratio, there's nothing about ratio is you can do it this way or you can do it this way. So this number, you don't want to go this way because 5 and 3 is kind of not a very nice ratio, so you can do it this way, it's more obvious. So this is twice as that, so this will be twice as that. So 2 plus negative 10 will give you negative 8. Okay? And next I'm going to do this number. Now this is going to be a little bit messy. So from here to here, it's going to be plus 13. Okay? So now this one you don't know. Okay? I'm just going to call it y, for example, just assign something. Okay? So now you're going to use a ratio. Okay? And remember, when you're doing a ratio, you can go this way or this way, right? So let's just go and use this ratio over here. Okay? So you're going to have negative 6 over negative 10, right? Negative 6 over negative 10 will equal to 13 over y. Okay? So what you do is you go and cross multiply, and you divide by negative 6. So y will equal to, and you reduce by 2, so it will be negative 65 over 3. Okay, so this is equal to negative 65 over 3. Okay, now once you get this number, to get from here, so you just go and add this together to get that. You can use your calculator, okay, or you can just do it manually. Okay, you can go up to the side. So you're going to get negative 8 plus negative 65 over 3. Okay, and then you can make into negative 24 and okay, oh, this is positive. Okay, plus negative 65 over 3. Okay, double check. Okay. 6. Okay, this would be a positive. Okay, so negative 6 over 10, 13 over y, cross multiply. Okay. Okay, then from here you're going to get, oh, this is positive and this is negative. I'll put it in the wrong place. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can just go and get the signs correct. Okay, so this will give you 41 over 3. Okay, so this would be 41 over 3. Okay, so when the ratio is not nice, it gets complicated. So you have to do just extra stuff. Okay. Okay, let's go to next one. Again, there are many ways to get the answers. So this is just one of the many ways. Okay, so you get f of 1 equal to 2, and f of 7 equal to negative 6. And you're looking for f of 10 and f of 20. Okay? Okay, so again, let's go and make a table. So x, f of x. So when x equal to 1, f of x will equal to 2. When x equal to 7, f of x equal to negative 6. And you're looking for f of 10. So it means when x equal to 10, you're looking for that. When x equal to 20, you're looking for that. Okay, so let's go and do the same thing. So from here, you're going to be plus 6. From here to here, you're going to be minus 8. Okay, so again, now it is, so from here to here is plus 3. So again, if you use this ratio, it's kind of messy. So let's go and do this ratio. So notice that this is going to be twice as that. So this would be a minus 4. Right? Again, this is half of that. So this would be half of that. Okay. So this will give you negative 10. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one. So from here to here, you have to plus 10. From here to, again, this is not a nice ratio. So let's just go and call this y, and let's go and work it out. Okay? So from here, you're going to get 3 over negative 4, right? 3 over negative 4 equal to 10 over y. Okay? So you can you just use a ratio, right? So whatever you see, you can just write it down. Cross multiply and divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equal to negative 40 over 3. So this is equal to negative 40 over 3. So now to find this number, you just add these, right? So from here to here, you have to add these. So negative 10 plus, so negative 10 plus negative 40 over 3. So make into common denominator. Okay, so this will equal to negative 70 over 3. Okay, so it will be negative 70 over 3. Now you can just leave it as an improper fraction. You don't want to waste time try to simplify that. Okay.